everyone, today we're going to explore this 35 million peso property for sale in Kasile, Cabuyao, Laguna. But before we begin the house tour, alam niyo yung drill natin, no? I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that bells to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Message us on our Facebook, Instagram, Viber, WhatsApp, email by simply clicking the link below on the description box. You can also search us via Google at www.reymilladajr.com.ph. Now let's begin the house tour. So before we begin the house tour, our house tour, by the way, no, thank you so much to our listing agents and to our liaison, our brokers for sending us dito sa Cabuyao, Laguna. By the way, it's Barangay Kasile, dito sa Cabuyao, Laguna. So particularly our location near, it's a Tagaytay picnic group, by the way. Something 20 minutes or 15 minutes drive away. And from here to Laguna, malapit na rin din siya. So expected, the area elevated, maraming puno along the road, kaya ito is perfect for commercial. Anyway, no, this property again selling in the market for 35 million pesos with a total lot area of 2,000 and total floor area about 600 plus meters with swimming pool, 4 bedrooms, and a function area, fully furnished, fully fenced, Torrance property, and fee simple. Okay, so let's start the house tour from the front. Okay, anyway, this is the parking area which right now can fit 10 SUV or more. As you can see, the property is in fully fenced. Okay, and here behind me, ito yung napakagandang facade ng ating Balinese modern design property. Look at that. Okay, I love the color combination, the white shades, the gray, the chocolate brown palettes. I love that design with CCTV. It's a detached, no, with balcony, wraparound balcony. And this is the front. Okay, wow. Alright, look at that, nice. Anyway, bago tayo papasok, guys, thank you so much sa ating mga avid fan na nasa California, New Zealand, or all over the globe for always tuning in our channel. And shout out kay Mrs. Tolentino, kay Mrs. Duterte, and kay Mr. and Mrs. Nalos. Thank you so much. Anyway, again, napakaganda ng property natin kasi it's brand new. Okay, so over here you have your balcony, and then this is the main entrance. Napakaganda nitong property as wedding venue or a commercial. So a mixed-use property kasi meron kang 4 rooms, and then napakalaking function area with bodega and then swimming pool, and then dun sa likod meron ka pang shack area, bahay, the KUBO area, pero may bedroom din, which later on pupuntahan natin. Okay, so and here, this is your grand entrance, wooden elements with picture window design. Of course, I love the wooden design in here kasi I believe it's a Nara solid wood. And then in here, so ang daming mga awning window, fixed window, and CCTV. So I love the fencing design. Yeah, ang ganda. Okay, so in here, this is the... Pasok tayo. Let's go. Alright, so welcome to your new home, new address dito sa Kasile, Cabuyao, Laguna. Okay, upon entering, so ito yung reception area. So right now, itong property na to designed for mixed use. Meaning, meron kang restaurant space and marami siyang mga bedrooms. Of course, ito, napakaganda, di ba? It's your reception area with a cabinet installed and drawers. May plastic pa, kaya bago siya. Okay, in here, you have the space wherein pwede pang maglagay ng greens and ornamental plants. And then, to my right side, you have the room in here. Okay, check this one. Okay, can be your extension or office area. So, with drapes design and big window ventilations. Okay, high ceiling. Okay. And then, right here, this is your lounge area. Open below. Look. It's fully furnished, no? Ang ganda ng design, no? Very modern. Pero sa outside, ang ganda rin kasi Balinese inspired. So you have sitting space in here and a lot of furnishings with CCTV. Of course, you have space in here wherein direct access to the function area. But the heart of the home, kasi kitchen, so right here may kitchen space. No, check this one. Okay, anyway, so over here meron kang, okay, this is a powder room, okay, with sink and bathroom. And then right here, second room, right now with air conditioning yung pasok ka, Benji. Yan, with air conditioning unit, ayun, naka-plastic pa. Kasi it's brand new, no? Hindi ito talaga nagamit. So if you are interested, so selling for 35 million pesos. So napakaganda ng property. Then in here, meron ka pang bathroom again. Powder room, so with sink and water closet. Okay, this is the heart of the home. We're in right now, spacious kitchen area. So granite finish with cabinet and storage spaces over here. And then to my right side, you have the sink and storage spaces. Refrigerator, double door included. So you have functions. In the event, you have extra appliances, so maybe you can put in here. Okay, high ceiling. And then you have big door in here. Look at that. Wow, exciting feature of the property, which later on I will check out together with the swimming pool and your yard area. But right now, we'll check out the second floor. Okay, let's go, Benji. Again, this is your lounge area and your front desk area. You have the room in here and then bedroom right there. Okay, since it's a commercial area, events place, you have the steps here. It's a U shape with drapes design, beautiful chandelier above. So can accommodate tatlong tao kasi maluwag talaga siya. Kasi intended for commercial. And then in here, this is the second level wherein the 4 rooms is located. Wow, look at that. Nice. I love the color combination kasi white shades and lemon drapes. Okay, in here, this is the open below. Oh, imagine if you have guests or friends and your clients right there. So makikita mo sila dito sa pinakaibaba, enjoying the beautiful vibe. And I believe, no, pag ito na okay at gagana siya, magandang experience ang maihahatid nito sa mga homeowner and the same way sa clients. Okay, so in here you have 4 spacious bedroom with each bathroom. Wow, look at the hallway, intended for hotel talaga. Diba? Look at that, hallway, spacious hallway. Isang dipa ko na, oh. Look. And then we'll check out the first bedroom. Okay. In here, wow. So right now, meron kang king bed with a window type air conditioning unit. Ayan, nice ceiling design with big window over here. With TV console, fridge, TV, cabinet installed in here. And a bathroom. Okay, check this one. Wow, diba? So you have this, the wash area, the water closet, and shower space with awning window. So this is the first room. Okay, then over here, opposite. Okay, the same thing. You have spacious bedroom again. The same furnishings, cabinet, drapes, big window, chairs, And then fridge, walk-in closet, and a bathroom space here with awning window. So ang ganda ng kanilang finish ha. Ayan, look no. Walang putol, buo. Wow. Mean to say premium materials. And I love the floor finish kasi it's wood design tiles. Wow, di ba? So what can you say, Benji?
Nice and brand property.
Correct, no? And then this is the third room. This is the queen's room. And right now, meron kang nice drapes design. Oh, yeah, purple. So with window, with the aircon, king bed, cabinetries in here, console table, TV, beautiful ceiling design, and bathroom space here. Okay, the same fixtures, the same finish, the same layout, but in different mode. Kasi you know, it's a queen room. I love the purple. Kasi it's something queen or king and queen. Yeah. And then in here, so very important, the stock room. Okay. So right now, maraming cabinet. Excuse mo sa mga gamit, but you know, lahat ng gamit yan kasama aircon. And then some storage spaces. Ayan, may mga boxes ng kanilang TV. And this is the fourth room. Okay. It's the celebrity room. Why I am saying celebrity room? Because of the beautiful lemon shade, di ba? Okay? Ang lakas sa mga Chris Aquino, no? Ayan, something like that. You know, meron ka ang king bed in here, big window, and then the air conditioning unit. You have this flat screen TV, TV console, and table and chair in here. Okay? So imagine this property along the two-lane road, meaning busy road, a traffic area. It has the potential for a profit. Kasi commercial is devoted for profit. By the way, so itong celebrity room, before I forgot, no? Tingnan natin, meron kang closet area, and then the bathroom space here. Thank you so much, Benji. Yeah, so you have the sink, water closet, shower space with the awning window. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed our channel, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that bells. And do not skip our video kasi you know, mostly of our viewers, mga young generation. So, for me, and for my valuation, so houseware video, na nakaka-inspire ng mga arkitekto, mga engineers, and the same way, makakakita sila ng magagandang design wherein pwede nilang gayahin. And then magiging dream home nila. So this is one of our listing na talaga namang maganda ang potential. Then, maganda rin ang benefits nito sa makakabili. Because of the neighborhood, no? Before buying in real estate properties, consider the highest and the best use. Now, let's proceed sa inyong function area. Let's go, Benji. Again, this property with a total lot area of 2,000 and total developed area, a floor area nitong bahay. Itong building na to around 610 square meters, not included the swimming pool, the lawn area. So for me, for my valuation, developed area around almost 2,000 square meters then. Fully fenced. Okay, this is my favorite part. Okay, you have elevated in here. I love it. Di ba? See? Imagine, ang ganda dito mag-ting-ting-tang. See? Ting-ting-tang dito, G. O, yan dito. Anyway, so perfect area for any gathering. But right now, the impressive area is here. Look at that, chairs and tables. So this area can accommodate 100 persons or 100 people. Kaya perfect for wedding, debut, any event, conference, etc. So, imagine mo yung... But the advantage is, itong lahat ng furnitures is included. And then look up, diba? Ang daming mga stars. I love... Wow! Ang daming mga drop lights. And then lighting fixtures above. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 6 inverter air conditioning unit. Big windows. Beautiful drapes design. And super enchanting flooring, you know. And then in here, okay, dito sa likod ko, you have a nice and spacious balcony. Wow, for me, no, napakaganda dito mag-photoshoot. Okay, let's go. Wow, look. See how magnificent, how beautiful the background in here. So, napakaganda niyan versus with a green screen background. You know, ang vibe ng beautiful background is you're close to nature. Versus with a green screen background. In here, this is your balcony area. It's overlooking to the swimming pool. Nice trellis design. And then in here, meron kang mga lightings above and the big access in here. Of course, both sides you have the access going to the swimming pool. This is the first access. And then right there, meron ka pang access. I love the property kasi kitang-kita nyo naman sa pinaka-drone, no? It's detached. So you have that setback all throughout, which is very good for the air ventilation. Okay, so let's proceed dito sa inyong swimming pool area. Okay? In here, so again, for the price of 35 million pesos, it's negotiable. Yeah. Okay, imagine this is the swimming pool area and you have nice bridge deck design in here, shower area and the storage area. Okay, malaki yan siya, pero during our tripping, so we can open that massive door. Okay, over here, this is a swimming pool. Okay, I love the design, no? Kasi, you know, imagine, no? This is not a typical swimming pool na yung kanyang the parapet design concrete, but right now tempered glass. Imagine kung yan inapon ng tubig and then see-through, no, nakikita mo yung nagsiswimming. Imagine to that, ganon siya kaganda. Then very intimate. Okay, you have the steps going here and then the water pump in there. Okay, this is your lawn area, your garden area, perfect for photoshoot. Or might be this is the extension of your dining. Ayan, restaurants area or the coffee area. The most impressive area in here is it's overlooking. This is more elevated. Plus, nakabakod siya lahat. Okay, right there, meron kang bahay kubo. Pero right now, sarado siya. Pero malaki siya, no? Pero gusto natin puntahan. Puntahan natin. Okay, let's go, Benji. Okay? Diba? Okay, thank you so much, Benji, ha? Lagi siyang, alam mo, pag tinawagan ko si Benji, lagi siya. You know, kung si Benji, hindi nyo kilala. Ha? Lagi lang late. Huwag ka lagi sa magpaka-late lagi, Benji. Kaya mapungot ko, sige ka late, eh. Kaya marami kasi tayong kausap. Huwag kang laging late, ha? Ay, nagkasugan ni si Benji. Anyway, ito yung pinaka-extension area, about 2,000 square meters. So, meron kang bahay dito na vacation house. For me, no, malinis siya. And ito maganda to kasi presko to. Kahit ang ulam mo ay tuyo. Okay. And ito yung dulo ng property. Okay, so you have a balcony in here. And then bathroom in here. Okay, check this one. Ayan, you have the bathroom with shower. Ayan, with water closet. Ayan. Okay, so over here. Oh, di ba? Gusto ko to. Kasi presko, di ba? Okay. Nice. Bahay kubo. Okay, so meron kang living area, straight counter, modern faucet, windows, and the bathroom space here. and a bedroom. Okay, check this one. Wow, love it. Nice. So with air conditioning unit, and then windows, and a bathroom space there with heater. So pwede siyang paupahan, no? Parentahan. Nice. Or pwede rin dito yung magiging bahay mo. Alright, so we're done, no? We will proceed to the main facade of the property to give the recap of this property for sale. Let's go, Benji. Alright, so before we end our house tour, no, thank you so much to our listing agents and to our brokers, to our liaison for sending us this new property for sale dito sa Kasile, Cabuyao, Laguna. Napakaganda nito kasi malapit lang siya sa Tagaytay Highlands. And then along the two-lane road, no, busy road, mixed-use property. So it's a commercial area devoted for a profit. So this property with a total lot area of 2,000 square meters and developed area around 1,000 plus square meters developed area. So it has 4 bedrooms with each bathroom, 2 rooms on the second floor, the ground level, lounge area, your function area, fully furnished, fully fenced, sitting in a mountaintop. Of course, selling in the market for 35 million pesos. So if you are interested or anyone interested to buy this and check out this property, contact us on the numbers visible on the screen. Shout out kay Mr. Ricky Cayetano na nasa USA, and then kay Mr. Danilo. Hi, thank you so much. And of course, sa ating mga buyers sa Japan, hi Ma'am Jasmine. Again, thank you so much, and I hope to see you in our next video. Daghang salamat. Gracias amigo all over the globe. Thank you very much, and God bless everybody.